Hi, and welcome to the second lesson of the Getting Started with CoSchedule course. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to navigate your way around the CoSchedule calendar. By the end of this lesson, you should understand three things: how to navigate your calendar, how to use your home dashboard, and how to customize your notification preferences. To get started, let's talk a little bit about the calendar view. So CoSchedule is the only marketing software that allows you to see everything you have scheduled in a single calendar view. Let's explore some of its features to help you navigate your calendar. When you first navigate to your CoSchedule calendar, this is what it will look like. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see the hamburger menu. If you toggle this down, you'll see things like calendar settings, email preferences, and your profile information. The next thing you'll see is the breadcrumb menu at the top. This allows you to quickly navigate to different features of CoSchedule. You'll find things like your analytics reports, your project management Kanban board, as well as your team management dashboard and your ideas board. Now keep in mind, if you don't have all of these different organizers, your view will look a little bit different than this. The last option in your hamburger menu is where you can toggle between different saved views. So if you want to only see your social media posts or all of your blog posts, etc., this allows you to get a stripped down view of only certain projects in your calendar. You'll also see your date navigation here. You can toggle down to move forward to a specific date. You can use the arrows to move forward, or you can quickly go to today by clicking the Today button. The next thing you'll see is the magnifying glass, which is the search functionality. Here you can find past or future marketing projects by just entering in a keyword. I'm going to type in sales, and you'll see that all of these different projects pop up that have that keyword, or you can also do an advanced search, which allows you to add some additional filtering capabilities to find your project quickly. The arrow box here to the right of the magnifying glass is how you will create a saved view, either as a read-only link or else a PDF. This allows you to share projects within your calendar with people who do not have a CoSchedule login in order to keep them up to date on all the things that are happening with your projects. The orange Create button is a quick and easy way to create new projects within CoSchedule. Once you click Create, it will toggle down the different options of different types of projects that you can create. We also have the Ideas bin here to the side. You can quickly add different types of project ideas using this button. When you are ready to schedule a project from the Ideas bin on the side, go ahead and just drag and drop it to your calendar, and it automatically schedules that project to your live calendar. If you know the specific date that you want to create your project, rather than using the orange Create button, you can use the plus sign on the top corner of a date, and that will also allow you to create a project for that specific due date. The next area of the CoSchedule app that we're going to talk about is the home dashboard. The home dashboard gives you a snapshot of all your tasks and priorities so you can quickly get your projects done in CoSchedule. If we head back over to the calendar, to navigate to your home dashboard, use the hamburger menu and then choose Home. Here you'll see your upcoming tasks, when they're due, as well as their associated projects. You'll see notifications and recent projects. Recent projects allows you to pop back into the project that you were most recently in order to quickly go back into what you were doing before you navigated away to do something else. You can also favorite projects. Favoriting projects allows similar functionality to your recent projects, but let's say that you oftentimes go back to duplicating projects, for instance, like monthly newsletters or social campaigns. If you favorite these projects, it makes it very quick to duplicate them again for future use. Another little nifty thing you can do from your home dashboard is create a new task. These are private tasks that are only seen to your own home dashboard. So you can add things here like responding to emails or reminders that you need to pick something up after work. This is your own private task to-do list that nobody else can see. The next thing we're going to talk about is how to customize your notification preferences. Notifications in CoSchedule are a powerful way to stay up to date on all the relevant discussions that are happening in the tool. This makes it easier so you never miss a deadline. However, CoSchedule lets you customize these notifications so you have the right info at the right time and you're not getting too much information. Let's pop over to the CoSchedule calendar so I can walk you through how to set your notification preferences. In the top left-hand corner, you will see your name. If you toggle that down, you can navigate to something called Notification Preferences. If you open that up, here's where you'll find all the different types of things that you can personalize. There's 3 ways that CoSchedule sends you notifications. It's either in-app, email, or browser notifications. You'll see each one of these different areas you can toggle down to completely personalize the type of notifications you get and where you get them. All right, that concludes the second lesson of getting started with CoSchedule. Next up, we're going to talk about how to plan your work in CoSchedule.